To make high quality video calls and audio calls for free, you can use the Messenger app. In Messenger app, you will get some attractive features to chat with people. Now let's see how to install the Messenger app. If you're an Android user, then go to your Play Store, and if you're an iPhone user, then open App Store, and here search for Messenger, and you will get the Messenger app here. So all you have to need, just install it from here, and then open the Messenger app, log into your Facebook account here. Then you will be able to use the Messenger. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.